In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use ratings and reviews to attract more work for your business. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or entrepreneur, reviews can be a game changer, and we're going to break it down in a way that's quick, actionable, and easy to understand. First, let's talk about why reviews are so powerful. Ratings and reviews build trust and credibility. When potential customers see that others have had positive experiences with your service, they're far more likely to hire you. In fact, research shows that nearly 90% of consumers read reviews before making a purchase decision. So it's not just about getting good reviews, it's about using them strategically to bring in more work. The first step is to ask for reviews consistently. Many businesses fail to get enough reviews simply because they don't ask. Make it part of your workflow. After completing a job or delivering a service, kindly ask your clients for feedback. And don't just stop at the easy ones. Ask for feedback that can help you improve and show your commitment to quality. Next, let's talk about where to ask for reviews. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. While Google Reviews is great, there are other platforms like Trustpilot, Yelp, or industry-specific sites where your audience may be active. The more places you have positive reviews, the more exposure you get, and the easier it is for potential clients to find you when they're searching. Now, once you start getting reviews, make sure to respond to them. Whether they're positive or negative, responding shows that you care about your clients and are willing to engage. Thank people for their kind words, and if you receive negative feedback, address it professionally. This not only improves your reputation, but also shows that you take criticism seriously and are willing to improve. A key tip here is to showcase your best reviews on your website and social media. For example, a glowing testimonial from a client can act as social proof, encouraging others to hire you. Displaying your ratings prominently gives potential clients confidence in choosing you over competitors. But what if you're struggling to get reviews? This is where software can really help. The software we'll be using today makes it easy to automate your review requests, follow up with customers, and even track your progress across multiple platforms. If you're interested, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below that's only available to my viewers. It's the perfect way to follow along and start implementing these strategies without any hassle. Now here's a key takeaway. You need to be proactive with your ratings and reviews. Don't wait for them to happen by chance. Ask, respond, and leverage them to showcase your work and attract more clients. Build that trust and social proof consistently and watch your business grow. To quickly recap, ask for reviews from every client, diversify where you collect them, respond to feedback, and showcase your best reviews everywhere you can. And of course, if you want to streamline the process, don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial link in the description. It's a tool that makes managing your reviews simple and efficient. Thanks for watching.